Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make banana bread off the chain. Alright, you're going to need 5 eggs, some bananas, this is about 6 of them, and you're going to need some baking powder, you're going to need some cinnamon, a stick of butter, unsalted, and some sugar, like 2 cups of that, and a cup and a half or 2 cups of flour, and a cup of brown sugar. Alright, let's get right into it. So this is what we're going to do. Got all 6 of those in there. Start smashing. And these bananas have to be right like they are. The blacker they are, the better they are. Come with a cup of this brown sugar. This is a half a cup I'm using. So I go like a cup and a half of sugar. Okay, we're gonna come with some brown sugar. Cup of that. Okay. Get that as a mix. Use our whisk. Come with some brown sugar. Some brown sugar. Come with some cinnamon. Let's do like half a teaspoon. Of that. Mix that in there. Okay. We're gonna come in here with some milk. Like a cup of that. These are our wet ingredients first. Come with our eggs. Like so. Mix that up. Pick our butter, put that in there. Come on our flour, 2 cups of those. About 2 cups right there. Mix this together. Come with like a tablespoon of baking powder. And we're just gonna whisk this for about good 2 to 3 minutes. So we get all this stuff nice and thick. Okay, we want about this thick. So I did add another cup of flour to it because it was not thickening like I wanted to. Just like that. Alright, now we're gonna take on some vanilla extract. Like a teaspoon. But that's about all of that, so put that in there. The vanilla extract I'm using is Watkins. And this is gonna make a heck of a off the chain, I'm trying to tell you. It's gonna make a real good banana bread. We're gonna load this into some greased pans and we're gonna cook this at 350 for about 45 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with the banana bread. Okay? So this is how it looks. Let me show you that. And I did let this cook for a whole hour. I thought it was going to be 45 minutes, but it had to cook for an hour. And plus, if you notice, I got on a different shirt or whatever. So I did wrap it up and let it sit overnight. Okay, and this is how it turned out. And you can smell this, OMG, is the only thing I can tell you. You see how moist it is? I put a little butter on it and wrapped it up at night. Alright guys? So I did end up with 2 of them. Here's the other one. Right here. I haven't cut it because I'm going to wrap it back up and take it to someone. Alright. So guys, if you like this recipe of this banana bread, the best banana bread, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell for me. Just like that. Hit the bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and God bless you. Happy holidays.